Good morning from Salida, Colorado. We are actually getting ready to go do something really fun, but before we do, we wanted to introduce you to Mark and Janelle. We've been staying with them while we've been here in Salida, and they are actually going to babysit Shelby for us. Have we left her alone with anyone since we left my mom's?
We won't let her party.
My mom was the last person to take care of Shelby, so this is, I brought a little box. I'm a little nervous. But you guys have been so hospitable, and thank you so much.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
It's been fun.
We've had a great time. They have a beautiful patio so we can go sit out and enjoy the weather and have dinner and barbecue. It's been great.
Shelby seems comfortable.
She's been in here several times, so she's found her comfy, happy place.
Hello guys from the Mount Princeton Hot Springs, and this is a pretty unique place because the river flows cold, but the hot water comes right out of the rocks. And it looks like there's tons of places just to chill out and dial in that perfect temperature. This is not too bad, guys. The water's normally not this silty, but we had a real heavy rain yesterday.
The top of my body's in warm water and my legs are in cold, so it's like a nice combination. Comfy?
Oh, this is great. You got hot water on the left, cold water on the right, and you just kind of make it blend. This is good stuff. This would be so awesome in the winter.
Yeah, they would be.
Guys, I seriously love how this truck fits into a regular parking spot. Alright, well Mark said if we head up the road about 5 miles, it gets to be some really awesome scenery. We're down for that.
I think you should tell them how I just got out of the most crazy pickle over there and turned all around with people everywhere, and I had to back into a spot and then pull out.
I think you did just tell them.
Okay, good.
Give me the Beach Boys and free my soul.
This is the campground.
Oh, we can turn around here. Alright, well this definitely falls under the category of a road that needs to be explored another day. We need to get ready to hit the road tomorrow. We're heading up towards the Denver area. We're gonna hook up with Jax Austin at a place called Colorado Custom Coach Works, and they're a fabrication shop, and I guess they do a lot of work on school buses and whatnot. But it's going to be an opportunity to hook up with an old friend, and then we're going to then hook up with well, you guys actually, we're going to have a meetup this Sunday in Denver. The location will still be determined at this time, but by the time you watch this, you'll know where it's going to be. And then we're off to hook up with another old friend, Chris in G Travels. Chris is in the Penrose area working on his school bus, and then it's off to the farm. Gosh, I think I got all that out. Thanks for riding with us today on our nice little day off, and thank you Mark and Janelle for the dog sitting. It's so wonderful to stay with you guys and hang out and just do all that fun stuff. So we'll see you on the road tomorrow. Find some cover, honey. Oh. Are there any trees that we can get under?
That's what I'm looking for, Ben.
Oh. Windshield wipers. Let's go over here. That doesn't happen every day.
That was kind of crazy, like totally bizarre. All of a sudden, out of nowhere, hail. It wasn't even like a sprinkle or anything, just hail all of a sudden.